Okay, so let's look at the data that we have, 5 pieces of data, 1, 3, 4, 6, and 7. And we want to find each of these expressions. Now, I want you to notice you've got this sigma out front, which always means add everything up. And the x refers to each of our pieces of data. Now, it's a variable because it changes with each piece of data. So here, this is just saying add up all of your data. So we'll have 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7. And of course, if we add those up, that is going to be 21. All right, now, this second one is saying, the sum symbol is saying add. It's saying adding up all of your data squared. So we want to square every single piece of data and then add them up. So notice I'm squaring the 1, I'm squaring the 3, I'm squaring the 4, I'm squaring the 6, and I'm squaring the 7. And then we're going to add all of that up. All right, so 1 squared is going to give us 1, 3 squared is going to be 9, 4 squared is going to be 16, 6 squared is going to be 36, and 7 squared is going to be 49, and if we add all that up, that's 111. All right, now our last one is saying add up each piece of data with 1 subtracted from it and then squared. Okay, so you can think of this as like filling in each piece of data where that x is. So notice I put the 1 in where the x is, 1 minus 1 squared. And then I put the 3 in where the x is, 3 minus 1 squared. And then I put the 4 in where the x was, and the 6 in where the x was, and the 7 in where the x was. So here we get 0 squared, which is 0. Here we get 2 squared, which is 4. 4 minus 1 will be 3 squared, which will be 9. 6 minus 1, 5 squared, which is 25. And then finally, 7 minus 1, 6 squared, which is 36. And let's see, this is going to give us 65, 74, if I added correctly there. And there we have it.